Okay, this is Spencer, the Tampa Bay wallpaper installer. Now, on this job, we have a wall that was fresh sheetrock, that wasn't primed, that was just plastered, finished with joint compound and ready for priming, but they didn't do that. So I want to show you the typical problem with a wallpaper installation that many people who don't know how to install wallpaper or how to prepare the walls underneath the wallpaper, what they do. This is a very common mistake even among professionals, where a general contractor will hire a guy to hang wallpaper and he's just not paying attention to what's going on, or he doesn't know himself. So this actually happened on a commercial job. Now, you know that it wasn't primed because here are the joint seams, okay? This is fresh plaster. I pulled the wallpaper off here, and this is what we got. Now, this is why a lot of people don't like hanging wallpaper, because of what you're looking at right now. This is the disaster that they think will happen if they hang wallpaper, but it's not the case. So you can just see how the surface wasn't properly prepared. And so now they call a professional to come in and fix it. So here's what's got to be done. All of this loose stuff eventually has to be scraped off, but here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a topical layer of I'm going to put an acrylic layer of primer on it. It's called Shields. This is made by Zinsser and also Roman, the company that produces a lot of the wallpaper products. They have their own version. I have both here, and I'll show you both. This is the Shields. And normally, what I would have done is to put an alcohol or oil-based primer over this. But more and more people are getting away from this oil-based. Nobody wants to smell it, and they think it's hazardous to the environment, so they don't want to use it. And you don't need to use it either. I read the directions on the can, and it actually says that this product will actually protect this type of dilemma. Now, let me show you the other product made by Roman, which essentially does the same job. Each company has its own type. And here it is. This is the Romans Pro 999. Like I said, I have both, and we will be using the Shields. So, let me just show you what I'm going to do. Just give me a moment here. I know it's a little bit cumbersome. But anyway, I'm just going to be rolling this stuff on. But I'm going to make the video for customers who have this problem, so that I can show them what they have to do in order to fix it. A lot of people go out and hire the people who don't know what they're doing, and then they come back and they complain that they didn't do it properly. This is what's got to be done when you have this problem. It doesn't matter if you don't know how to paint. You just put this stuff on. It doesn't matter if you go up or down, side to side. Now, why am I just putting it on top of the damage? Because this product will seal in most of it. Why should I scrape anything unnecessarily? After this dries, then we'll see what we have to scrape. There's another product called Peel Stop. You can get it at Sherwin-Williams. and it actually arrests the corrosion on the wall, where the paper just keeps bubbling up. You can't stop it. Well, Peel Stop does. So now I'm penetrating the paper on the sheetrock. And when I come back tomorrow, we'll take a look at what has to get scraped off and then re-primed over. Until then, I'm not scraping anything. This is why you got to hire a professional, because, I mean, would you hire the general manager of Wallbaum's to do your brain surgery? You got to hire a pro when it comes to doing this type of work. This product is creamy. You can see how it works just by the way I'm doing it. Now, if this were water-based, all of this paper here, this dark stuff, it would be bubbling up. But it's not water-based. It's not. That's the beautiful thing about this. You could go crazy trying to pull down all of that paper, and you'll never get it off. It'll just keep on coming off, and you might despair and say, let's pull down the wall. No, you just put this on it. And you want to put a generous amount.